Hey guys, how's it going? Just wanted to tell you about an awesome giveaway that we're doing worth over $3,827 US to give you a Stepcraft M700 CNC machine with the MM-1000 Spindle and the AMS-177-K bit set to get you started. This is a great giveaway that we're really excited about because we're coming up on hitting 300,000 followers over on Instagram and wanted to do something like this to celebrate. So this giveaway is open worldwide and will end October 21st. You can head down to the description for more information on how to enter. There's a link there. Click that, and it has all the rules and everything for entering. So definitely check that out. Thank you all so much for all of your love and support. We really appreciate it, and good luck to everybody.